Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eki. Today is day 3 of our review series, and if you're new here, you're welcome. If you're an OG, thank you so much for tuning in. So I'll be reviewing another affordable product today. I know you want to know my thoughts on the product, so stay tuned while we get right into this video. So guys, today I'll be reviewing the Avo foundation, and I believe most of us have already seen this foundation before, or we've used it. So this is my first time using this foundation. Is a review and a first impression because I've never used this foundation before, and I've heard a lot of people say it's good. So because we are still in the review series, today is day 3. In case you've not seen our other videos, I'll be leaving a card somewhere at the end of this video, so you can stay through to this. So this is how this foundation looks like. It comes in this package, and it's really simple and nice. I like the way the bottle is, and it's not heavy. It looks heavy, but it's not heavy at all. So this says that is a 24 hours liquid foundation and is a super stay full coverage with SPF 25. So it's a pro long wear foundation. So this is how it comes with a pump. I love that because the pump just makes it a lot easier. The foundation comes in numbers. I got the one in the shade 15. Hopefully this one matches my skin properly. Same pack. It's written naturally adjust skin tone, creates beautiful makeup without blemish, contains vegetal whitening factor, obviously face skin tone, conceal blemish, form protective membrane on epidermis, resist oxidation and pollution, and make skin pure and white. I'll quickly cleanse my face with the micellar cleansing water before we'll go properly into the review of the day. This is the reason why I like to do my skin work first before doing my brows, because I just feel like the brows gets on the way whenever I want to do my skin. I'm spraying my face with the Kiss Beauty makeup fix. I'll be going in with my moisture balm from metic. Guys, I forgot that I've done my brows before doing my skin prep, and I just sprayed my brows. Imagine. That's why it's not good to get used to a particular routine. If not, I'm gonna spoil some things for you. I think it's been long I did my skin prep routine here, so that's the reason why I decided to come here and do my skin prep. And I'm trying to mess up some things for myself. In case you've not seen this review, I've done a review on the moisture balm. I'll also be leaving a card at the end of this video so that you go take a look. Next guys, I'll be going in with the Aqua Grip from metic, the areas where I normally produce oil the most. Every other area remains normal except for my T-zone and then my brow area. Okay, so this is not running at all. This is a thick liquid foundation. This is what it looks like. Okay. It has one smell that I like. The quantity of the foundation in this is 50 ml. Hopefully that will go a long way. So I took 3 pumps. Let's see how much this is going to do for my skin. For those of us that are looking down on affordable products, are you seeing what I'm saying? It's not giving me that matte feel, but it says it's matte. This is one application. I would have just gone in straight with my beauty sponge, because beauty sponge is the real deal for me when it comes to blending foundation. But yeah, this is for those people that have just blending brushes, so it blends well with the brush. But for me, I feel that brushes do absorbs more of the product than a beauty sponge would. I don't know, that's my observation and opinion. Even when I use a brush, I still see myself going back to a beauty sponge. I love the way this blends into my skin, like seamlessly. With one application, you might not get the coverage that you need, because I'm still seeing my dark spot peeking through here. I'm going to go in with extra layer to see if it's beauty. Taking one extra pump. So basically what I like to do is to concentrate on the areas where I want more coverage. Guys, I love this foundation already. I love it. I'm not even gonna lie. The way it melts into my skin is, let me see how long this foundation will wear on my skin, because I really want to know if it's gonna last that long. For me, I don't think 24 hours foundation actually is my thing, because I don't wear makeup for that long, except if I'm busy the whole day. Guys, I didn't know when I took this foundation the whole of my face, because what? Nobody will know that this foundation is 3,000 naira. Is it 3,000 or 3,500? I got it. Either 3,000 or 3,500. 3,000 or 3,500. 3,500. So I'm going in with my beauty sponge to just pat that into my skin. Is the way affordable products are hitting it for me. The reason why I'm not even bothered about the undertone is because I know that most affordable foundations, you get the undertone you're looking for when you mix two different shades. Naturally, I don't think I like a mattifying foundation. I was actually scared of that I'll be looking very dry on my face, but that is not happening. I'm going to spray my face with the setting mist. Again, I sprayed my brows. These brows are suffered in my hand today. So I'm going back with my beauty sponge to pat that setting spray or fix into my skin. Guys, if you're still here till now and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing whenever I post new video. Don't forget, this is a review series that I am reviewing everything affordable, from foundation, concealer, skincare products, eyeshadow, just name it. So if you have any recommendation, leave it at the comment section, and please leave a product that is accessible to everyone anywhere, including me. Thank you. And this foundation is not matte. In my finger, I'm feeling that stickiness. It's sticky. So a foundation that is matte can't be sticky. But for the fact that it blends and sink well into my skin. It's enough for me. I don't know about you, but it's enough. I'll be highlighting underneath my eyes with the Yangabeauty concealer in SMC3. So I'm blushing my face with the orange corrector from LA Girl. Are you seeing what is happening here? My nose is breaking already. So if I'd used a foundation or a concealer rather that is not full coverage, it would have not blend at all. So if you are oily skin, that means you might have a little issue using this foundation. Because I get oily around my T-zone, and I use a primer that will keep my T-zone matte. Again, the concealer has a velvety matte finish. So if I'd used a lightweight concealer, it wouldn't have worked. That's why I always do an highlight and contour for you to see if the products will work well with other products. I'll just go set the whole of my face and I'll come back. So guys, I went on ahead to complete the rest of my face off camera, and this is what I'm looking like right now. I love my skin. I love the way I'm looking. Everything is just check. If you're told that this foundation is retailed for 3,500 naira, will you believe it? If you didn't see it, if you don't know that what I'm wearing right now on my face or my skin is 3,500. Okay, so if affordable brands are up with their game like this, we won't be complaining. Who am I to complain when I know that my skin is gonna look like this? No way. I'm also a makeup artist. Guys, follow me on Instagram at ekisglam. I'll be leaving the handle right on the screen. I think I'll be going out now, and when I return, I'm going to let you guys know what this foundation is giving, because it says it's 24 hours long wear foundation. So I'm going to test that. So I'll see you guys when I come back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is 11 o'clock already. So I finished this makeup around 3 p.m. and I went out. I came back. I've been back for like 2 hours now. When I got back, there was no light, so already taking off my makeup. I've taken out my lashes, and I was taking out my the mascara that was on my lash. Before NEPA or power holder decided to restore the light, so I said, let me come and show you guys what I'm looking like right now. Okay, first off, when I came in, I was looking very oily. I think the reason why the oil has reduced, because I was so oily around my nose here, very oily around this area and this area. I'm not so oily right now is because I've settled, like I've rested for over an hour to 2. So that's the reason why my face is not looking so oily, and I rest my face on my hand when I was trying to relax. I think my hands soaked up some of the oil on my face, especially on my cheek areas, because that side it was shiny as well, but not as shiny as my nose region and this area of my face. Let's go back to this to what this product told us that is doing. First off, these products are the shades. It comes in 8 shades, which is 01, 05, 15, 20, 20, 25, 30, then 35. Yeah, those are the shades that it comes in, and I use the shade 15. So this foundation says is a super stay full coverage foundation. It's not full coverage, guys. It's medium to full coverage. So if you want a full coverage from this foundation, you have to do like 2 to 3 layers, because I did 2 layers and it still didn't cover up the spots. So it says 24 hours. I'm not sure, like under normal circumstances, that this foundation can go 24 hours. I'm not sure it can, because the season that we are now is very cold, like it's chill, and I still got that much oil around my nose region and this area, meaning if it's during the hot season, probably the foundation will be dripping from my face, or even if it's not dripping, I'll be very oily, because this foundation says it's matte base waterproof. It is not at all. So it says it's a long wear foundation. Probably it will stay for a long time, yeah, because I finished this makeup around 3 p.m. until now my face is still looking okay. I can still go out and I'll still be balling, yeah. But say 24 hours, I'm not sure about that. This foundation is buildable, is blendable. I love the fact that you can get a good blend using both the brush and a beauty sponge. I'm good with this foundation for the fact that it's retailed for 3,500 and you're getting all this goodness. It's a good one. So in case you're looking for to very affordable foundations, I think this will make it. For me, I don't like matte foundations. I prefer my skin to be dewy. So I feel that's the reason why I love this foundation. When I wore it, I just noticed that, yeah, it's my thing. So yeah, that is it, guys. That is it for the foundation review, and I hope you learned a thing or two. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up, leave a comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe right here and ring the bell beside it so you don't miss new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and stay beautiful till I come your way next time. Bye guys.